So we're gonna start with on how to use corsage tape, corsage and boutonniere tape. So this is a very, very thin, it's got a wax coating paper tape, and I like to use it whenever I'm wiring taping flowers or, you know, to bind all my stems together when creating a boutonniere. So this tape, how it works is if you use it wrong, then it's not gonna stick. But all you have to do is put a little pressure on it and pull it, and you'll see the color difference on it. It actually starts to turn a lighter green. And what that does is that actually activates the sticky portion of the tape, and it allows it to stick to each other. So just like I was talking about the waterproof tape, if you put the tape to the tape, it's gonna stick nice and well. If you don't do that, then what's gonna happen is everything's gonna fall apart. So super important. I've seen so many people use it wrong. But thank you for all the supplies, 50 Flowers. They are amazing.